Okay, I've got two Star Cloud backpacks here. This one I've been using for about a month and I absolutely love it. This one I just received by the brand. So this has high quality durable material. It has ultra thick padding, pockets everywhere for maximum storage. It's got a lock, USB-A and USB-C. Plug your power supply, stick it down in there and charge up any of your devices on the go. Cross strap right here is one of the most underrated features on this bag. They give you finger loops made out of plastic. So rather than having to grab the straps, just put your thumbs in, pull down to your desired tension, and that's just gonna fit perfectly. Very easy. And like I said, it's got pockets everywhere. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to disengage the lock. All you're gonna just push like that. If you wanted to throw a padlock on this, look, this is a cable handle and that is just gonna be extra security and it makes it very easy to carry. If you're traveling and you have any rolling luggage with the handle, this can slide right over top of that handle and sit right on top of your luggage while you roll it. I love absolutely everything about this backpack. It's one of the best backpacks that I have owned. I've tested dozens of backpacks. I stand behind it. This is a great brand. Use it for everything. Pick it up. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.